Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can set up and install your Amazon OneLink tool. And first of all, I will guide you what is Amazon OneLink and how you can enable for your Amazon associate account, how you can generate links. So first of all, I just want to discuss what is Amazon OneLink. Guys, Amazon OneLink is a tool in the Amazon associate dashboard that allows you to link your different Amazon associate accounts the accounts from the US, UK and Canada and 4 to 5 other countries, providing geo-localized redirection from your affiliate website to a relevant Amazon product. Guys, like you have a visitor from you can say Japan, and you pasted your link of Amazon Amazon associate account. You have Amazon associate account of US, so the visitor, you will lose your visitor. And if your visitor wants to buy that product but your store is in USA, so you will lose that visitor. But by the help of OneLink account, the OneLink account automatically redirect your visitor to the Japan Amazon account. So in this way you will get your sale, you will get your profit. So this is the OneLink Amazon tool, and this is the you can assume how much beneficial it would be. So guys, before starting our video, I just want to recommend you that if you are new on my channel, welcome to my channel TechWide, on which I upload tech update, unboxing videos, tutorial videos and unboxing gadget reviews and unboxing videos. So guys, if you did not subscribe yet, do please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so in this way you will get the all notification of my upcoming new videos. So guys, let's start. So we will go to Amazon tools, like on the fourth button here, tool, and then OneLink on the fifth number, OneLink. Click on the OneLink. So guys, you can see this is the front end of OneLink account. Now monetize your international traffic from Europe and Japan. OneLink now monetize traffic from United Kingdom, Canada, Italy, France, Spain, Germany, Japan and neighboring countries. So this is OneLink account. You have to complete it in 3 different steps. The first step is link up your account. First of all, we will make a sign up on all countries from which we want traffic, or the countries you have traffic on your website. So first we will get sign up on all that accounts, and after that we will get connected them and we will get a code from here. And after that, in the last step, we will paste your code in our website footer or header. First of all, I am going to sign up in my different accounts. So from here I will start the sign up for all my Amazon associate accounts. Click here to link. You have to click here to link, and first of all we have to sign up. Like, select geography. If you have sign up in different countries like United Kingdom, Canada, Netherlands, France. So first, I don't have a sign up in United Kingdom or Canada associate account. So first of all I will click here. So he will ask me the store ID which you have for United States Amazon associate. I don't have yet, so first of all I will sign up here. You can see I will click on it, and I have to save the store ID. You can see it will ask later that you have to paste the store ID here. So from whenever you sign up in any account, so you have to save up your store ID. So guys, after making the sign up account for all the other associate store IDs for all countries like United Kingdom, Canada, you have for all other accounts. So after that you have to save your store IDs here in any, you can say, Word file or Notepad file. After that you go on the same your dashboard, Amazon associate dashboard. So you have to click here to link, and you will see this tab will be in front of you. So after clicking by one on each geography, you have to add your store IDs here. Like I am selected Canada right now, so I have to put my store ID here. So I will put my store ID, my Canadian store ID here, like this. I will just and link store. I will link it, so you can see Canada store ID is verified, and after that I do it for my United Kingdom store as well. This is also verified. You can see status is verified. After that I will do it for Germany account, so I will again insert my Germany store ID here. You can see this is also verified. Then France, verified. Then Spain, it is also verified, and the Italy store. Yes, this is verified. So guys, after verifying all your store IDs, so now you have to click here. As now you can see, you have verified all of your accounts. So after linking all the accounts, after that you have to click here, get the next step, one tag, copy the code. So you have to click get the code here. And they will give you the, you can say, the code which will connect all Amazon store IDs. And whenever your visitor open your website or open your link from Germany, Spain or France and United Kingdom or Canada, all the linked store, so automatically it will be redirected to their local store. So in this way you will get your sale and you will get your money. That's it. This is the best thing which Amazon Associate program is launched. After that you have to you can see in the third step, view reports. You can see reports here. And now the last step is you have to copy your you can say code from here, and you have to save it somewhere. You can save it, and after that you have to put it in the footer or header file of your website. So automatically Amazon OneLink tool and OneLink this code will be verified, and it will be automatically work on for your site. So guys, hope so you like our video, and if you like our video, you please like the video and comment and tell us about your views. And I'm sorry this video it's too long, because I just want to show you in front of you step by step guide, so that's why. So guys, and the last thing, if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please subscribe my channel as well. Meet you with the next tutorial videos. Take care.